Look at the rainbow, y'all. That thing fresh. Fresh rainbow in the sky, and it's so distinct too. On the way to pick up the wife from work. Me and Cake in the car, she spotted it first, didn't you, Cake?
Yeah.
It's a fresh rainbow in the sky, y'all. Brighter days are coming. Yeah. That rainbow. Just make you feel good to see a rainbow in the sky, don't it, Cake?
Yeah.
Dang, it's so distinct too. Y'all see that? I wonder if it's a pot of gold at the end of that drink.
Let's go find it.
I know, right? Dang, it's really, really distinct. I mean, seeing it with your own eyes is something way different. Seeing it with the camera, it's good, but I'm telling you, seeing this with your own eyes is crazy right now. See that bright green, bright blue, bright yellow, bright orange. See that bright red? Like you can even see the purple in it.
Where?
Deep on the back side of the red. You can even see the purple. It's so distinct. You literally see every color.
But they're kind of like fading together.
Yeah, it is. That's a good rainbow though. But it's really distinct though. Get good vibes from a rainbow.